To add and use accessibility shortcut for talkback feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility. Tap advanced setting and then tap accessibility button. Tap select action and then select talkback. A pop-up menu appears to inform you about talkback and the permission needed by this feature. To continue, tap allow. By adding the accessibility shortcut for talkback feature, now you can easily turn on or off talkback by tapping the accessibility button at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select talkback. When talkback is on, you will be given with spoken feedback for the focus item on the screen, so you can use your device without you have to look at it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.